Hey guys, it's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. So I am going to start doing really quick under 5-minute skincare reviews and put them on the channel in between my longer videos because I realize I talk way too much and it's just sometimes, or a lot of times, a little too much to just watch the entire thing as I ramble. So we will be talking about Soleil Organics Organic Tanning Mousse, and as you can see, I am like white. I'm transparent. I don't remember ever being this white in my entire life. I should probably have like my iron checked. I don't know, but I'm not wearing any makeup right now. Besides, I am wearing lip gloss because I took a lap around my community and my lips were so chapped when I got done. You guys would not want to see me on video without some lip gloss. So I have my Sarah Hat lip gloss on. I have mascara on, and that is it. So you can see what this tanning mousse is gonna have to do for me because this is pretty pale. So to kind of put it in perspective, in Osmosis Foundation, the pressed powder, I'm a beige light, and in the satin foundation, I'm a natural light. So basically, I am very pale skinned, so you guys will know how much work these two little babies are gonna have to do. First, let me tell you a little bit about this company. One, they are 99% organic, they are cruelty-free, and the packaging is totally green. There's no aerosol, there's nothing. So they really try and do what they can to just be a good company, which we totally love. And if you guys don't know, Soleil Organics is the only product on the market that has infused skincare in a organic tanning mousse. So it's super special and it just really creates the most beautiful customizable color. It works. So not only is it healthy and safe for you, but you know, we want skincare that works. Viewers out there that love ingredients like I do, with majority of cosmetic products, the active ingredient in this is DHA. DHA has been used in cosmetics, I think, since like 1973. So DHA is derived from glycerin or vegetable origins and is deemed completely safe by the FDA. DHA is not absorbed into the skin and is non-toxic. So the main difference between this and other products is that Soleil Organics is derived from apples. So when you get that really orangey look from other products, that's actually because they are derived from carrots. Also notice that with products that are derived from carrots, it also has a really unpleasant smell, and this literally smells like you're on the beach. It smells so good. But another great thing about this product is it's brown sugar based. So Soleil Organics doesn't characterize themselves as a tanning mousse line. They actually characterize themselves as a skincare line, because although this does tan your skin in a very nice golden beautiful color, it is packed with skincare ingredients. So a few ingredients that are very nourishing for the skin. It does have aloe leaf extract in it, and as we know, that's extremely moisturizing and hydrating as well as soothing. It has glycerin and niacinamide, and you guys know I love niacinamide. And it also has pea extract. And so what pea extract does, it's actually really anti-aging and beneficial for the skin. So when you put this on, it's going to be nourishing, it's going to help with redness, and it's just very soothing for the skin overall. So what I also love about these is that they're non-sticky, they dry immediately, and of course you don't get that orange color. I myself personally use it, and since my husband's not going to watch this, he uses it all the time. So this isn't just a, you know, a woman thing. Let me tell you how I apply it really quick, because I know that, you know, everybody kind of applies stuff differently, and this is what I do and it works really, really well for me. So you can absolutely purchase a tanning mitt. However, I don't completely find them necessary, but by all means definitely purchase one if you know you want a tanning mitt. You can use an old sock, you can use a latex glove or a non-latex if you're allergic to latex, and you can also just use your hand. So how I apply this, depending on what area I'm doing, I usually cut it off into segments. So from knee down, I'll do 3 pumps. And this is a very thin liquid, so don't be caught off guard by that. It's very thin and very foamy. So I do 3 pumps, I apply it, and then I do another pass. So another 3 and apply. And that gives me the nice golden brown color. So for somebody like me who doesn't wear makeup or foundation every single day, having this and applying it every few days, it's going to be so nice. So what I do is about 2 to 3 pumps. I apply it to my full face, and then I go back with just about 1 pump and I carve out right below my cheekbones. I do a nice frame around my face, and then I do an extra pump down my neck. And what that's going to do is create a really nice visual effect, one that, you know, if you were to contour your face with makeup, that this can do for you. And it just turns out so beautifully. You can do a little heavier, like 2 pumps or like 2 passes if you really want that really nice look, sleek look. And anytime you apply makeup or tanner, here and down, it's going to create a very nice slimming effect. So I really recommend doing it that way, but you can, you know, if you just want a basic tan absolutely all over, and again, make sure you're completely clean, exfoliate, and then apply the product. For a lighter tone, you would leave it on for about 3 to 5 hours, and for a nice deep rich brown color, you can leave it on from 5 on up. I leave it on overnight because I like that nice golden brown color. So you'll still want to wear your SPF with Soleil Organics Tanning Mousse. Not provide any protection from the sun. There's no SPF in this, so make sure if you're using this product and you are out in the sun, even in the winter, you are still wearing your SPF. Another really great question I get a lot is, can I use this while I am pregnant? We always want what is best for babies, so always consult with your physician and let them know that this is a 99% organic or derived from organic product, and they will definitely guide you in the right decision on if you can use this. If you guys want to know which Soleil Organics Tanning Mousse is right for you, the Born Again Anti-Aging Tanning Mousse is the one that's infused with skincare. And then the Soleil Organics Radiant Finish is also infused with skincare, but it also has a very shimmery look. So I would recommend, if you get this one and you're going out somewhere, use it right before you leave, shower, and go, because this does only last for about 2 to 4 hours. But it's really pretty. It's not like obnoxious. It's just a really nice, gorgeous, like golden shimmer. I totally 100% recommend this product, not because we sell it, but because it works. It's safe, and it's great for your skin. Okay guys, so I hope you loved my review on Soleil Organics Born Again and Radiant Finish. See you next time, and please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video.